Hi everyone, it's me Jo. I'm doing my fourth Halloween tutorial this year. Now, I really love doing these creative looks and I've done in the past more of an anime style look. I wanted to do a traditional doll look and I thought everyone's doing a scary doll for Halloween, but how can I make it different? So I've actually done a steampunk variation. So I've actually got clockwork gears in my face instead of blood and gore. Alright guys, well I really hope you love this one. It was so fun for me to do. Please subscribe if you're new and enjoy the video. So we're going to start with a clean face. Now I have done my foundation and brow covering. I have two videos already on my channel how to do this. One's a glowy foundation routine and one is a brow covering routine. So I've just done that to start with. Now I have had a bit of a chemical peel yesterday. I've been product testing some new stuff for a company and one of them slightly burnt my skin, which could actually play into this look a little bit more than I anticipated because it's going to be a spooky one. But if my face looks very weird in this video, I'm blaming the fucking product because I wasn't expecting it to be that harsh. But let's go on with the tutorial today. Grabbing some face paint, I'm using white Snazaroo. I'm going to be using this under my eyes, just along here, and down. Grabbing some water. So now I have those drawn in, I'm now going to go in with some brown concealer because it's much easier to smudge. If you have brown face paint, please use that. I'm using a deep brown, which is one of my favourite Dermacolor products. But you'll probably see on your own eyes. Like so. Now I'm going to go from the outside and I'm really going to draw in a new crease. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit more here. Just on the outer half kind of thing. Like so. Now I'm going to draw in my eyebrows with the same product, so I'm going to start I'm going to be using I'm going to grab some of that and I'm just going to smudge the crease in just a touch. I'm going to be using vanilla and I'm going to be using this on the high points because I think that's very dull-like. Kind of plasticky. I want to add some pink to the cheek because dolls always have that kind of rosy, scary glow. I'm using the pink one, Dolly Pop by Sugar Pill, taking it off on the back of my hand first and then now I'm going to draw in some liner and I'm going to use my favourite pen eyeliners. I'm going to be using my favourite pen eyeliners by, I just got them on eBay but I think they're a Chinese brand. I don't know how to describe them because there is no brand on them. But I always put a link in some of my videos. So just really going against what we've drawn in and then creating a little bit of a flick. So lashes are going to be very simple. I've got these ones which my friend Chani from No Pun Intended podcast, she gave me these ones and I think she said she got them from eBay, so I will get her to give me a link. I'm going to be using black latex glue because I think it works a little bit better with lashes, especially when you're sticking them on because you get almost like a drawn on line. There. And I'm going to glue that. If you're going to wear like dull light contacts, which I recommend for this look, put them in before you do lashes obviously, but I'm going to keep my own eyes in today because my circle lenses are not here, they're at my other house. So we're just going to blacken with your favourite mascara. mascara. The hell did that mean? Right. Cut them down from the outside, so you always cut the longer side first. Just gonna get some glue. If you have trouble sticking lashes down, wait for them to dry and then extra dip each edge. So you have more glue, you have a bubble of glue on each edge. Now with these, I'm gonna go from the middle, using my tweezers to really poke them on and then place them slightly off my natural lashes, but facing up, so we get that elongation. I ordered a lot of lime crime products, and one product I haven't yet used is Suede Berry, which is a lip gloss lipstick. I'm creating kind of like a heart-shaped lip. Grabbing just some brown eyeshadow, just a neutral brown eyeshadow. Oops, I've got a little bit of a dot there. I'm going to start kind of etching in a little bit of a scratch just above my cheek here. Just above the brow a little bit. Ripping out bits of tissue, like so. I'm just going to dip into the latex in strips and stick these kind of around. Just pulling bits off as we go. So what I've started to do is I've started to pull open this area. Where's my little mirror? So annoying, I need to get a bloody mirror. I really need to get a mirror because I smashed my last one and I'm so scared of smashing another one because I broke my rib straight after and like a list of 3 things went wrong. Shit, I've got latex on my trousers. Whoops. But I was so freaked out by it, I had to do a ritual and throw it into the sea. True story. So anyway, now we've kind of got this, we want to peel back the latex as if it's skin. So I'm going to use a brown kohl pencil just to really touch up the edges of this and make it look even more realistic, because as the latex is peeled off, it's taken away some of that we coloured in. Now I'm going to shout out my friend Sarah again. I said about her in my pumpkin tutorial. I was talking to her on Facebook about clocks because I wanted to find something to smash to put into this look, like gears. Give kind of a steampunk reference. And while I was at my other house, she turned up with clocks and left them with my neighbour. So she's amazing. So thanks Sarah for this look. But I've smashed up and kind of smashed up even further these kind of hand watch clock things. So sorry to the clockmaker that made it, but it's going to be used in this tutorial. So I'm going to start adding all these kind of gears and things with latex. And I've got tiny ones and I've got big ones, so I'm going to play with them. It's going to be steampunkish. Kind of trying to line them up to each other so they look like they match. I kept all the broken bits because I wanted to slot them on the insides and stuff, so it looks like it fits into the skin. Some of these pieces are quite heavy, so you're going to have to hold them on as they dry. So you can see that it kind of looks like I'm a robot and you've revealed the robot, and I've got a little bit of a spring hanging out my face too, for good measure. Now I'm going to grab some foundation. I'm going to be using Skin Base just because it's at hand and it goes quite nicely over latex. I'm just going to almost touch up all the edges. Once you have your latex painted in, and you can go a bit grubby with it because it should look like it's been ripped open and there's like a scarring of some description. I'm going to be using Silver by, it's called MUY lipstick and it's called Silver Petals. And I'm just using this to really, more or less, I want it to just look like blood. So I'm going to have some dripping out my mouth a little bit. like a robot blood. So now I'm going to change into my other outfit and wig, and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. To be perfectly honest, I can't remember where I got this from. I think either someone gave it to me at a house party, or I don't know. Probably a new one for my channel. I've not done one like this before, and I really enjoyed doing it. So please subscribe if you're new and check out my other Halloween tutorials here. I'll put one here. I've also got a podcast, My Best Friend, which I'll put right here, and hit anywhere on the face to subscribe. See you in my next tutorial.